To create a form with ClicData, you can use the dashboard widget called Data Form. In this dashboard example, we can see how it works. On the left side, in yellow, we have a form created with 3 fields. If we want to add a new row here, we simply click on New and then choose whatever we want to fill the fields with. So let's add some text and save. This row is going to be written into a dataset that is stored in ClicData. We display the dataset on the right side here, and now by reloading the dashboard, we can see the row has been inserted. Now let's have a look at how to create this. Start with one simple step in the Tables and Views Explorer. Create a custom data, or you can also upload an Excel file with empty data. So this means you need to create the schema only, right? So numbers, text, and dates, for example, these are the fields that we want to use in our data form. Then head over to your dashboard. Now you're ready to create your data form. Head over to your dashboard editor and choose the data form widget. Drag it to the dashboard editor and then choose the dataset that you just created for your form. Select it. And now you can see the fields are available here to set up your form. You can choose how they should look like, and then you can set up validation rules, default values, and other options. Make the form pretty with styling and formatting options. And that's it. You are ready now to share your online form with your users in public or private mode.